Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to change your replace text or Excel 2016. So I'm just open Microsoft Excel and click blank workbook. Okay, just I have some data and just paste. Okay, then click full screen and data change. So 24 26 and just input 13. Okay, just serial from 001 and 002 and I click just change 101. So 101 and click just select and click square dot arrow and just click right left button and click any swipe, scroll down to 13. So guys, now replace 101 to 113. So I hope this channel and like this video. So subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, don't miss any news video. So goodbye.